Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, today I am going to start sum number 11. So here the length, breadth and height of a room are in the ratio 3:2:1. Okay, so length equal to 3x, breadth equal to 2x and h, that means height equal to x. Here x is a non-zero proportional constant. Now you have to find out, and its volume equal to 1296, it's given. So you have to find out the breadth. Now you know the formula of volume, that is length into breadth into height. So 3x into 2x into x, and that equal to 1296, it's given. So here 6x cube equal to 1296, and from that x equal to 6. Now if x equal to 6, then breadth equal to 2 into 6, and that equal to 12. Now next one, sum number 12. What is the volume of a cube whose diagonals measure 4√3 centimeter? So diagonal equal to 4√3 centimeter. Now let the side of the cube that equal to a centimeter. So if the side equal to a centimeter, then according to the formula of the diagonal of a cube that equal to a√3. a√3 is the diagonal of a cube. So a√3 that equal to 4√3. So from that a equal to 4. Now if a equal to 4, then volume equal to a cube. So 4 cube equal to 64 centimeter cube. So if you like my video, please share this video with your friends and please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please contact with us in Telegram, and the link is in the description and as well as in the about section of my channel. Now next one, sum number 13. Sum number 13. The whole surface area of a rectangular block is 8788 centimeter, and the length, breadth and height are in the ratio 4:3:2. So length equal to 4x, breadth equal to 3x, h equal to 2x. Now you know that here x is the proportional constant and which is not equal to 0. So according to the formula of total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, and that equal to 8788. Now from that equation you can easily find out the value of x. So here x equal to 13. Now if x equal to 13, then length equal to 4 into 13, 52, height equal to 2 into 13, 26. Now you have to find out the difference between length and height, and that equal to 52 minus 26, that equal to 26. Sum number 14. Find the number of bricks each measuring 25 centimeter into 12.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter required to construct a wall 12 meter long, 5 meter high and 0.25 meter thick. Okay, so first the volume of the wall equal to 12 meter high, so that means 1200 centimeter, then 12 meter long, so 1200 centimeter, 5 meter high, so 500 centimeter, and 0.25 meter thick, so it's 25 centimeter. So that is the volume of the wall. Now here while the sand and cement mixture occupies 5% of the total wall. So here as sand and cement occupies 5%, that means without sand and cement the volume of the wall will be the 95%. So you have to multiply this volume with 95 by 100. Okay, now we have to find out the 95% of the volume. So that equal to 1200 into 5 into 25 into 95. Okay, now that is the volume without sand and cement. Now you have to find out the number of bricks. In that case you have to just divide this volume with the volume of each brick, and here the dimension of the brick is given 25 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 7.5. So that is the volume of the brick. Just divide these two volume and you will get 6080 as answer. 15. A closed rectangular box measuring 72 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 48 centimeter externally is made of wood 1.5 centimeter thick. Find the capacity of the box in liter. So first you have to find out the volume. So here external length, breadth and height given. So the volume of the box equal to L into B into H, and that equal to 186624 centimeter cube. Now you have to find out this answer in liter. So you know that 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So divide it by 1000 and you will get 186.624 liter as the first answer. Now next one, what is the volume of wood used in making the box? That means you have to find out the internal volume of the box and then you have to subtract the internal volume from the external volume. So as it's 1.5 meter thick, so that means the internal length equal to 72 minus 1.5 plus 1.5. Here you have to subtract 2 times. Okay, as it's as if it is the box, then the length here also 1.5 thickness, here also 1.5 thickness. That's why you have to subtract 1.5 2 times. In breadth also you have to, and height also, in both 3 cases, in each and every cases you have to subtract 1.5 2 times. So here length equal to 72 minus 3 69, breadth equal to 54 minus 3 51, and height equal to 48 minus 3, that is 45. So internal volume equal to 69 into 51 into 45, and that equal to 158355 centimeter cube. Now you have to find out the volume of the wood. So just subtract these two volume, you will get the answer 28269. Now next one, you have to find out what is the mass of the box if the wood used weighed 0.9 gram per centimeter cube. So if 0.9 gram per centimeter cube, then you have to multiply 0.9 with this volume and you will get 25442.1 gram. Just convert it into kg, so 25.44 kg approximately, and that is the answer. Sum number 16. A rectangular plot of field measure 12 meter and 15 meter. So it's 15 meter, it's 12 meter. It's a rectangular plot. A pit 8 meter by 6 meter into 50 centimeter is dug in the field and soil removed is spread even over the remaining portion of the field. Okay, so you have to dug the soil from here, this pit, and you have to spread the soil in the remaining portion. Now find the increased level of the remaining portion of the field. So first the volume of the soil from that pit. So here height equal to 8, length equal to 8, breadth equal to 6, and the deep of that pit equal to 50 centimeter. That means 0.5 meter. So the volume of the soil equal to 24 meter cube. Now this amount of volume we have to spread in the portion of the field. Okay, so first you have to find out the area of that portion, the remaining portion. So here the total area equal to 12 into 15 and the area of the pit equal to 8 into 6. So you have to subtract this area 8 into 6 from 12 into 15. So that is the area of the remaining plot. Now if you multiply with h, that means the level increase, the increased level which is let, so let 8 meter level increase. So area into height, you will get the volume. Okay, and the volume will be equal to 24, as this 24 volume of soil will be spread in this remaining portion. So 12 into 15 minus 8 into 6 into h, that equal to 24. So here h equal to 24 by 132, and that equal to 0.1818 meter approximately. Okay, so if this is meter, then convert it into centimeter, so it becomes 18.18 centimeter. Now next one, sum number 17. In sum number 17, a box is tightly packed with tins of soft drinks of the same size. These tins are arranged in 2 layers, contains 3 rows and 5 columns. If the diameter of each tin is 6 centimeter, okay, diameter of each tin is 6 centimeter, that means in the box, in the square box. So the length of the box and the breadth of the box will be equal. So as there are 5 columns, so the total length will be it's arranged like this way. So it's 5 columns. So the total length will be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus, that means 6 into 5. So that equal to 30 centimeter. And the total breadth, as it's arranged in 3 rows, so 6 6 6, that means 6 into 3, it's 18. So length equal to 30 and breadth equal to 18. And what is the height? As is 2 layers, that is 1 by 1, so 12 into 2, that means 24. So length 30, breadth 18 and height equal to 24. Now you can easily find out the volume by applying the formula, and that equal to 12960 centimeter cube.